Apple is about to make a lot of iPhone users very angry. iOS 27 is coming, and this update looks way bigger than the usual yearly refresh. This is not just new wallpapers, tiny icons, and random features. Nobody uses Apple is reportedly rebuilding major parts of iOS, and because of that, some older iPhones may finally get left behind for good. Recent leaks are pointing at the entire iPhone 11 lineup as one of the biggest targets for removal. That means the standard iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max could lose support when iOS 27 arrives. And honestly, that is shocking because those phones still run fast, still feel smooth, and are still used by millions of people every single day. But Apple seems focused on something much bigger this time. Reports claim iOS 27 is being rebuilt to improve speed, battery life, and overall performance by removing old system code that has been sitting inside iOS for years. Apple apparently wants a cleaner and smarter system built around AI and future features instead of older hardware limitations. And the biggest change may be Siri. Apple is turning Siri into a true AI assistant, instead of the same old voice tool people barely use anymore. Leaks say Siri could finally support natural conversations, smarter replies, memory features, and chat-style interactions that feel closer to modern AI systems. Apple may also automatically clear older conversations for better privacy and security. The design could change too. Instead of the glowing Siri orb popping up on the screen, reports suggest Siri may move directly into the dynamic island with a cleaner and more modern look. That alone could completely change how people interact with their iPhones every day. The camera app is also getting major attention. Apple is preparing DSLR-style manual controls directly inside the default camera app. Users may finally get proper control over focus, exposure, depth effects, and other pro settings without needing third-party apps. That is something iPhone users have wanted for years. Visual intelligence is expected to become much more powerful too. Leaks say the iPhone camera could analyze objects, text, and scenes in real time with faster AI processing happening directly on the device. Apple may also redesign the AirPods dashboard completely. Reports claim users could finally get easier access to firmware updates, battery details, audio controls, and other settings without digging through confusing menus. Another huge upgrade could arrive inside the Shortcuts app. Instead of manually building automation step by step, users may simply describe what they want, and Apple Intelligence could automatically create the workflow. Basically, your iPhone could start handling tasks almost like a personal AI agent. And surprisingly, Apple may even add support for Google Cast alongside AirPlay. If true, that would make streaming and device compatibility much easier across smart TVs and other media products. Apple is expected to officially reveal iOS 27 during WWDC on June 8, 2026. The public release will likely happen in September alongside the next iPhone launch. As for supported devices, leaks currently suggest the iPhone 12 series and newer models will make the cut. That's everything we know so far about iOS 27. Bigger AI, smarter Siri, massive camera upgrades, and sadly, the possible end for older iPhones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.